Saan ka pupunta?
Diyan mo, bibili na. Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you? I could give you everything. If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you where the water meets the earth we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day.
Guys, this is it. We are on the way to Incheon, South Korea. Nasa Terminal 3 na kami ng Cebu Pacific. So, if you don't know, that's just in front of Resorts World, Manila, just by the Skyway. So, our flight, our departure is 18:40, which is 6:40. I think, if I'm not mistaken, ang boarding namin is around 5:40, 5:20. So, malapit na, konti na lang because right now it is 4:34. So, almost 1 hour to go. Hindi ko na ni-record, hindi ko na film yung pagpasok namin ng airport. But, it's all the same shenanigan. Check-in, immigration, and then baggage scanning. So, ayun. See you later. South Korea! Flight namin is going to take around 7 hours. Since this is Cebu Pac, 6 or 7 hours? 5 hours? Hindi ko alam eh. For 4 to 5 hours probably. And then, yung flight namin yata siyang kasamang food because first and foremost, medyo mura rin namin siyang nakuha. But it's not the cheapest. Last time, when we went to Korea, around 2022, yung fare namin, parang nag-range siya almost 45, dalawa kami. Right now, nasa 30,000 kami. But, late November, parang nakakita ako ng flight that cost around 8,000 pesos. Pero, suntok sa buwan yun, if aasahan nyo siya lagi, it's not possible na makita nyo siya. And yes, yung 8,000 is a round-trip fare. It wasn't a special sale. I don't know kung ba't biglang nagkaroon ng ganong sale. Siguro leftover siya from the seat sale. So, ayun. So, just try to catch a cheaper flight whenever you go to any place. But for peak seasons, always remember na sobrang bihira ng sobrang mura because technically it's still winter. Papapasok pa lang yung spring and I've heard na right now, -6 when we land doon. So, I have an extra baggage with me. So, I have 2 carry-ons. I have a backpack which have top and then I have my suitcase, my small suitcase which contains jacket, heat techs, and then doon ako magkapalit sa airport or if not sa airport, doon sa airplane before we land. So, ayun. Let's see how it goes. Bye!
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see, the way you see it. Don't you wish that I could give you? I could give you everything. If you wanna run ahead, I'll meet you where the water meets the earth we cling to. If you wanna find the edge, I'll come too. I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay.
Hey guys, so naka-board na kami ng plane. And nasa unahan kami, guys. Hey! So, si Bryce. So, ito yung nasa unahan namin. Tapos, ayun na yung cockpit. So, later, pupunta kami doon para mag-hi kay Captain. Charot! So, kita tayo later. Mas excited kami sa food kahit anong food. So, baka bumayad ka. Ayun. Touchdown Korea! Here we are in Seoul! Yeah! Anyong yorobun! Meron lang po ni Zelda. Anyong yorobun! Guys, andito na kami. So, papunta na kami sa arrivals area. Mag-immigration muna kami. We're going to get our luggages, Carousel 8. And then, meron kaming airport transfer. We booked it via Klook in advance. So, kausap ko na si Kuya Driver via WhatsApp. WhatsApp, yes. Via WhatsApp ko siya kausap. And he should be here already. Ita-text ko siya. And one of the tours kasi namin, we booked for, I think, DMZ or yun yung sa namin. Meron kaming free na 3 gig na eSIM that we are currently using right now. So, meron na akong signal. I was able to message some friends already and my brothers and sisters. So, ayun, right now, nasa CR lang si Ana and si Bryce. Then, after that, tatahakin na namin itong mahabang to. Yan. So, sila yung mga kasama namin sa plane. Okay. And then, ito na si Bryce. Annyeong!
Paint me a scene, city in color, the way that you see it, the way you see it. Don't you wish?
Hello, nakuha na namin yung mga luggage namin. Nag-try kaming mag-withdraw, kaya lang hindi siya no service daw dun sa Uri Bank. Meron pa ditong isa sa Kookmin Bank. May global ATM, di ko alam kung mag-work. Try ba natin? Sige. So, try namin dito. So, I didn't naka-withdraw yung nakapila. So, meron pa kasi sa taas, sa may departures area. Pero, di na kami aakit doon. Sa Myeongdong na lang kami mag-withdraw. Kasi maraming bank doon sa malapit sa atin namin. Para magtutulak pa. Ayan. So, pupuntahan na namin yung airport transfer namin. Ayan. So, malamig na guys. Ang balita ko is ano ngayon? -12. Wait, tawid muna tayo kasi may oras eh. Let's go. Guys, nasa airport transfer na kami. So, mga 1 hour yung travel papunta dun sa siguro 45 minutes kasi medyo mabilis kami. Tsaka wala namang stopover to. So, 45 minutes going to Myeongdong. Medyo malamig. Although effective yung inukay nating jacket. So, hindi natin siya naramdaman. -2 to -3 yata yung temp right now. Pero feels like -5 siguro. Sorry, medyo putol-putol yung recording kasi medyo madami tayong dala kanina. Bawi tayo sa mga next scenes. Letters. Guys, we are here sa 24 Guest House. So, there siya. And then, this is our room. Okay, so, it's quite small, no? But, you know, it's affordable. Ganito lang talaga usually if it's not a hotel. This is just a guest house. Para lang siyang in. And then, yun na siya. Right? But we are here. It's okay here. It doesn't smell bad here, guys. So, you can check this out. 24 Guest House. Binook namin siya through Agoda. I can't remember how much. I will check and then I will keep you guys posted. Okay. Ayun, parang yung whole stay namin 10 days, including today up until I think the 31st kasi yung 31st namin maaga kaming aalis. Pero Feb 1 pa talaga yung flight namin going home. Parang binayaran namin is 20,000 something for the 9 or 10 days. So pwede na, to be honest. So parang lumalabas siya ng mga almost 2,000 a day. Okay? Ayun. Pahinga muna because right now it is 1:47 dito sa Korea. 1 hour lang naman ang difference sa Philippines, so it's okay. Kaya pa naman. Hindi pa rin kami nakaka-withdraw. Pero lalabas ako tonight because hindi kami sa CU. Malapit lang siya. Halos katabi lang ng Marriott Hotel, which is katapat nito. So, ayun. Laters! Annyeong! Good morning, Korea! It is officially first day kasi last night naman is 12 midnight na rin kami nakarating dito. So, it's a first day. Wala kami masyadong gagawin ngayon. Free day today, rest. Kasi puyat din kami. Nakakatawa, wala palang bintana yung room namin. So, hindi namin alam na 8 o'clock na. Pero right now, we're going to Myeongdong. Doon kami magbe-breakfast. Hanap kami ng magbe-breakfast. Feeling ko ending namin ito, McDonald's. So, tingnan natin. Okay? Ito ang outfit natin for the day, guys. South border ang datingan natin. Yung McDonald's breakfast namin naging ito. Hindi ko alam tawag dito, pero actually, na-feature to may. Kasi masarap siya. Dito lang siya sa Namdaemun Market. 2,500 isa. Yung sa akin, vegetable. Yung kay Ana is red bean. Yung isa nagkukuripot, so hindi pa siya bumibili. Pero naka-withdraw na kami, guys, dun sa bangko malapit dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong bangko yun. Naka-withdraw na kami. Meron siyang charge na 3,600. Pero hindi ko pa nakikita yung GCash kung magkano siya in pesos. Tignan natin later. Maglalakad muna kami papunta sa train station. Okay? So, ayan. Nandito kami, oh. So, nire-renovate siya. Dati walang ganyan. 2 years ago. 3 years ago. Eating time. Guys, so instead na mag-train kami, first adventure dito sa South Korea, naglalakad kami from Namdaemun Market papunta sa Myeongdong Shopping Street. Trip lang. I mean, hindi naman siya malayo. Parang like less than a kilometer siya from Namdaemun Market. Kaya lang medyo malamig. Ang temperature ngayon, if I'm not mistaken, is negative 5 ba ngayon? Negative ano ngayon, Bryce? Negative ano? Negative 4 today. So, ayun. Actually, nandito na kami, guys. Ayan, ito na kami. Ayan. Make sure lang namin na tama yung pinupuntahan namin. Pero, Myeongdong, ano na to, shopping street na to. So, kung makikita nyo dito. Yan, guys. Yun yata yung Tusam place kung saan sila JM at Hazel nagkape. Nung after nilang bumili ng North Face na jacket. Bumili tayo North Face na jacket. Hindi namin kaya, guys. Pero, tingnan natin. Kasi hindi kami pwede magsalita ng tapos kasi birthday niya eh. Kaya pala kami nandito, guys, kasi birthday niya. Yun talaga yung reason kung ba't kami nandito. Oh. At saka birthday ni Bryce. Yan. Birthday ng dalawa. So sila ang manilibre sa akin all throughout. All throughout, guys. Sila ang manilibre sa akin. So panoorin nyo yan, okay? Let's go!
Like you're 17 and everything
Ano to? Unang araw pa lang, shopping na, ma. Window shopping lang. Nandito kami sa shop called 8 Seconds. Siguro Korean brand to. Hindi ko rin sure. But they have good qualities. Like, for example, this plain shirt right here is 14,900. I don't know how much that is. Siguro try kong ilagay yung price below. Pero ayan. Ganda ng popper jacket. Oh. So, I've been watching a lot of vlogs lately and sabi nila, it's good to actually invest in a good puffer jacket because you're gonna be using it, especially if you're gonna be traveling a lot. Usually, ang maganda kong puffer jacket actually is Terra Nova. Yun na nga lang yata yung puffer jacket ko. Then I have this one from the Okay, which is okay siya. I'm not wearing anything else aside from one thermal. The thermal is heat tech ng Uniqlo. I think this is yung gitna, hindi siya yung ultra warm. So dito kami sa The Goodwear. Titingin ng heat tech at saka ng puffer jacket. Medyo madami silang choices, guys. So, look. Hindi naman tayo bibili ng mga ganyang kalalaki. Mga ganyang kahaba. But they have this in different colors. Kaya lang sobrang kapal niya. My question though is it breathable? Kasi yung sa The North Face, it's breathable. But of course, again, iba nga ang presyo nun. This is a lot more cheaper by 50,000. But it's cute. And then they also have heat techs here, guys. So, if not Uniqlo, not yung ibang brand, they have heat here. 12,991 and 14,900. Ito yung quality niya, guys. Looks okay. Pero hindi pa tayo bibili niyan because meron pa naman tayong magagamit. Siguro pag kinulang na, tinamad ako maglaba baka. Hindi ko lang ba't hinihingal ako. Grabe. Nipis siguro ng hangin. Sir, may kailangan ka pong size?
28.
28? 28 ko siguro second year high school ako. Ngayon yata 33, 34 na ako eh. Kaya skip ng mga pantalon ko eh. Guys, si birthday girl mo ka may bibili na agad. Makakita siya ng magandang pants. Women's ba yan or men's? Women's. Okay. Yes. Sinusukat niya sa akin, guys. Mabagal net? Hindi ko sure. Hindi ko pa nakikita. Wala pa. Parang bagay sa akin to. Pwede rin sa'yo yan, Bryce. Ang pakakuripot kaya ayaw. Ay! Pahiram na lang daw siya pag bumili ako. Kasi parang namang B. Alam niyo ba, trivia, munti ka nang manghiram ng heat tech si Bryce sa ibang tao. Pati yung pang ilalim. Pero ano siya, magaling sa pera to si Bryce, magaling sa pera. Idol ko to. Guys, kaalabas lang namin dito sa SPA Ospaw, yung Uniqlo ng Korea. And gusto ko lang sabihin na first blood. Mamaya, ano natin to, i-haul natin yung mga mabibili natin today. First time namin gagawin ni Ana yun. Pero wala naman to, mura lang siya. So makikita nyo later. So tayo pupunta, Bryce? Uniqlo. Sige, lead the way. Lead the way, bro. Lead the way. On the way kami, papuntang COEX sa Starfield Mall. Nandito na kami ngayon sa train station. Unfortunately, yung T-Money ko pala is expired na, so hindi ko na siya magagamit. So take note sa mga nag-hold ng mga T-Money, nag-expire pala siya. Or maybe hindi ko talaga siya na-activate kasi hindi ko naman siya na-loadan. But it's no longer working, so kumuha ko ng single entry ticket. Later na ako magkukuha ng sarili kong T-Money. Si Bryce at saka si Ana nakapag-reload pa sila. So ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa train station. We're going off sa Samsung Station para maglalakad na lang kami going to Starfield COEX Library. And then papuntahan namin yung famous na Gangnam statue, yung hand ni Psy when doing the Gangnam Style. So excited, let's go!
This world around you, through my eyes, my whole view. The place I love, the place I cling to. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone, waiting for you. Wait until you realize weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone.
Dito na kami guys sa Starfield COEX Mall. So pupuntahan namin yung library, andun siya. Pero may titin lang muna kami dito. Tsaka baka mag-lunch na rin tayo, no? So magla-lunch na rin kami. Kasi alauna na. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe namin. Doon yata, sa side na yun. Yun lang na natin. So titingin lang kami sa North Face. And then kakain na siguro kami. Or baka nasa labas yung entrance. So, guys, look, ang daming masasarap na food. Gongcha. Meron din sa Pinas, mo tayo dyan. Yan, Katsu 8. Vatos, Urban Tacos. Parang gusto kong mag-Korean food.
Okay, kinain na natin last time.
Ano yun eh? Ay, yung Bulgogi Brothers. Sa labas yung entrance nung umikot lang kami guys, nasa labas pala yung entrance nung North Face. Gusto mo lumabas, tapos balik tayo doon. Dito na kami sa labas guys, ulit. Kung saan kami dumaan kanina. Umikot lang kami. Puntahan namin si North Face. Yun. Ay, please use the other door. There. There. Let's go. Ito agad na bumungad sa akin guys, ang ganda ko. Stopper. Gore-Tex siya, but this is probably really expensive, so it's 890,000. Okay, the Korean one. So, tingnan tayo na medyo kaya lang sa budget, but we're not saying we're gonna buy at least yet. Tingin muna tayo. So si Ana medyo nakakita na, so ako naman. Ang ganda niya guys, oh. Tingin pa tayo na iba. Alabas tayo ng North Face. Hindi ko na pinakita yung sinukat ko. Kasi medyo masikip dun sa lugar. Pero, hindi ko pa sure kung bibiling ko siya. Puffer jacket. Medyo mahal. 399,000. So, possibly mga ano siya. 17,000 nga siguro. Hindi ko sure. Check natin later. Pero pag-iisipan muna natin. Si Ana may nakita din siyang scarf. Pero hindi pa rin niya kinuha. So, mahaba pa naman. First day pa lang. Kakain muna kami. Baka gutom lang yan. Mama? You hungry? Let's eat. Ito na yung library guys. Andyan na yung library. So, mamaya na tayo mag-picture dyan. Ito na yung library. Yes.
Picture niya ako sa escalator at gagayahin natin.
Sige. Picturean daw siya. Kasi meron siyang ginagaya siyang ano eh. Ginagaya siyang crush. Lunchtime. Nandito kami ngayon sa Bulgogi Brothers. Pero siguro mas legit talaga to. Actually, second time na namin dito. First time na nag-co-ex kami. Dito din kami kumain. Pero libre yung sa amin. Ngayon ako yung nagbayad. So, nung amin ni Ana, siya nagbayad nung kanya. Ano pala yung food?
Hindi na ba yun?
Yep. Guys, check this out. Ito yung food ko for today's video. Wow. Beef bulgogi yan. Ito kay Ana. Ito yung kay Bryce. So, yung binayaran ko dito is nasa, hindi ko maalala kung magkano. Pero 28,800. Mas mahal yata yung sa akin kaysa yung kay Ana. So, ayun. Kain muna. Laters.
I could run around this world all day with you. Weightless, floating through the day. Trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize.
Natapos din tayo guys sa picture dito sa POEX Library. Try namin insert yung mga photos para lang at least makita nyo. Pero right now, nandito kami pa rin sa Starfield POEX Library. Bumibili lang ng kape dito sa Arabica Blend. So, this is what it looks like. Yan. So, if you go up the escalator, one of the escalator, you will find this Arabica coffee. Meron silang sinuggest na beans to use. So, instead of actually using, meron kasi silang Indonesian at saka Arabica. So, ang sinuggest nila is yung Arabica. This is also our second time here, and last time, dito pa rin kami sa labas nag-stay ni Ana. And we're gonna be staying there again kasi medyo mainit kasi dito talaga sa Starfield. Malakas yung heater, so pinapawisan na rin sa loob ng jacket. So, kahit yung sa bonnet ko, medyo basa na. So, ayun. Let's go! Waiting for the coffee na lang.
Floating through the day, trust that I'll be okay. I'm happy alone. Waiting for you. Wait until you realize. Weightless, floating through.
Guys, we are looking for the famous Gangnam Hand ni Psy. So, hopefully makita natin siya here kasi dito yung nakita ko. So, dito na tayo sa labas, guys. And this is Gangnam. Let me show you. Yan. So, this is Gangnam. I just don't know where those hands are. Ah, yun! Kita ko na siya. Nandun siya. Guys, andun siya. Nandun, ayun. Famous hands ni Psy. Kakakilig because nag-adventure na naman tayo, guys. Favorite namin yung ganito, yung mga naghahanap ng lugar, yung naliligaw. Bakit ba? Ay masaya, di ba? Di ba? Ayan guys, so nakikita niyo sa likod ko, sobrang laki niya. Yan siya. At mukha na akong tanga kanina nagsasayaw ako dito, pero wala namang may pakialam, so okay lang. And kung mag-visit kayo dito guys, meron ditong TV na pag play nyo, tutugtog si Gangnam Style. Baka maka-copyright pala tayo guys. Hindi tayo pwede mag-upload niyan. Welcome to K-Star Road! Yes! So, grabe yung pinagdaanan namin. Ay, grabe! Naligaw kami once. Nagkamali kami ng route na nasakyan for the station papunta dito sa Apajung Station. So, napabalik kami dun sa train station. So, bumaba kami, then lumipat kami sa kabilang line. Tapos yun, papunta dito. So, ito yung K-Star Road. Dito yung mga K-pop sa pagkakaalam ko, but if I'm wrong, please let me know. So ayan, meron tayo niyan, and then meron pa doon, marami pa doon. So tignan natin kung anong meron dito. Let's go. This one is already tired.
Pala dito.
Let's go. Guys, bumaba pa kami, kaya siya tumatawa kasi bumaba kami para tumawid. Tapos meron pala mga pedestrian. Pero okay lang, at least safe kami. Yes, this is unfamiliar roads. That's fine. By the way guys, dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, pag Gangnam kasi, siya yung medyo luxury side of Seoul. No? Kumbaga pag nasa Manila kayo, BGC, Rockwell, yun yung mga parang similar places. So ayun, kaya dito Louis Vuitton, mga ganun yung mga Chanel, yan yung mga stores. So like this one, yan, Chanel yan, di ba? So this is the Galleria. Sa atin si the Galleria, mas maraming dumadaan doon para sa transit papuntang Pasig, papuntang QC kaysa sa mga luxury items. Pero ayun, yun lang, gusto ko lang i-share. Tingnan natin. Ito pa isa, Gangnam Doll. Hello! Ang dami nila guys. Ayun pa, oh. Kulay black. Hey guys, sorry, nabanong ako, hindi ko alam. Meron pala talagang mga symbolizing yan, para yung mga stars sa Hollywood. So this one is for 2 PM. Ayan. And then this one is for FT Island. Hindi ko sila kilala guys, pero ang galing. Wala lang, share ko lang. So pag pumunta kayo dito, check this out. Medyo malayo lang siya, lalo na kung sa Myeongdong area kayo nakatira. Kasi yun nga, Gangnam siya. So medyo may ilang lines kayong sasakyan, like 2 or 3. Baka 2 actually, no. Ayun. Balik sa Myeongdong guys at change outfit tayo for today's video. So tonight is food trip night, pero pili lang siguro yung kakainin ko. Parang yung steak na nasa steak, yung Wagyu. Tapos try din natin yung shrimp. Tsaka, kasi nag-buns na kami kanina, tsaka nag-fish cake doon sa may Namdaemun Market. Kasi umuwi nga muna kami. Pagod na kami kasi ang grabe pala doon sa Gangnam. Yung sa K-Star Road. Sobrang haba niya. Parang almost 1 kilometer. Tapos downhill siya. So, ibig sabihin yung pagbalik, uphill. Ngayon, yung pagbalik namin, ang layo nung next station. So, hindi naman kami pwedeng bumalik kasi malayo din. Parang 1 kilometer nga yung lalakarin namin. So, ginawa namin, hinanap namin yung next station na available. So, ayun. Anyway, again, dito kami sa Myeongdong. And like I said kanina, lalabas na yung mga street food. At ito, sobrang dami nila guys. Nakita nyo naman. So, ayan ang tao. Ayan ang crowd. Very vibey. Siyempre guys, hindi pwedeng manonood lang tayo. Dapat kakain din tayo. Ang lambot, grabe, sarap. Guys, huwag nyo kakalimutan tikwanta pag pupunta kayo sa Myeongdong, ha?
Paint me a scene, city in color.
Grabing kapagod this first day. And today, and last itinerary namin today is to some place for coffee. Si Ana nag-Spanish latte, ako nag-strawberry melon frap kasi yun daw yung best seller sabi ni ate. So, try natin siya. And then we ordered one Lotus Biscoff ice box, which is the cake. Ayun. And then in a few hours, of course, the main reason kung ba't kami nandito, 2 hours is birthday na ni Ana. Yay! So, this is probably where I end the day with the vlog because 19% na lang to. Medyo matagal pa pero baka maputulan tayo in the middle. So, I will see you guys again later pag uwi or tomorrow. Let's go!
I could show you this world around